Hello, my name is Steve Snap with CloudArc. In this video, I'm going to demo our free training app and also show you how to install it at the end of the video. We created the training app because we wanted to give clients a very easy way to create training content for their users and manage their library of training links directly in Salesforce. We believe one of the most valuable ways to increase the value of Salesforce is to focus on aligning Salesforce with your people and process. We use the phrase, successful Salesforce is using Salesforce to make it easy for your people to do their job, meaning their process. So developing a solid training plan and delivering that training directly in Salesforce is very low-hanging fruit that a lot of clients miss. We have a companion video that shares more of these ideas, and I'll link to that in the description. This video is more focused on the app itself and how to install it. You'll notice in this Salesforce org and app that I have a training tab. The training tab shows all the training video links organized by category. These tabs can be completely customized to your company and allow you to organize your library by department, group, or subsidiary. This app works with both Salesforce Classic and Lightning. We originally created the app for Classic, then enabled it for Lightning. So this app has been around for a while. We have found that many of our clients still use Classic though, so we decided to keep the Classic option available. Salesforce has a similar feature in Lightning called Learning Center, and we started using this for clients that only use Lightning, but we found that Salesforce sometimes makes changes or adds their own content during updates. They also don't allow tabs for different departments or groups, which makes the organization of the library cumbersome. Finally, Learning Center does not work in Classic, so if you have users that still prefer Classic, you'd have to have them toggle to Lightning for training. So to manage the training library, you select the training settings tabs from all tabs in Classic or the Lightning app selection icon that I like to call the hamburger. From the app selection window, type training settings and you will see the tab. Here you can manage all the training video records that you want to present to users. This uses a very simple custom object with record types that allow you to create a training record. From the training settings list view, select new, then select record type. Provide a sort order, name, and link. The record type is configured to group your training by tab. The sort order controls the default order of the list under the tab, which is the record type. We chose to use record types because you can use permissions to control which users see which tabs. This also means you can control internal and external users' access to the training library if you're using communities, for example. The link field is a URL field type which allows you to provide a video link which users can click on to view the video. In this example, many of these training videos were created on YouTube, but in the last several years we've started recommending video tools like Vidyard and Loom. I personally use Vidyard. It's extremely easy to create a video which provides an immediate link that you can paste into the training record for that topic or video. If you'd like to create new tabs, you do this by creating a new record type. I'm going to show this using Lightning. Select Setup in the upper right corner and in the Quick Find on the left-hand side, type Object. Select Object Manager and in the Object Manager Quick Find, type Training, then click on the Training Settings object. Select Record Types. Select New and enter the record type label and record type name. Add a description and select Active. Select Make Available under the profiles you want to have access to. I'm going to select all by choosing Make Available at the top of the screen. Choose Next. Now determine what page layouts you want to make available to all profiles. Usually you'll only have one layout, so generally you'll choose Apply One Layout to all profiles and select Save. This record type will now be available to your users and you can add videos to this tab. In this next section of the video, I'll give you a quick overview of the objects and tabs. This app consists of one custom object and a custom view. The training tab, which users see and is enabled in one or multiple apps in Salesforce. The training settings is a custom object and uses the standard interface for custom objects. We use the standard layout and list views to add, edit, and delete training videos that we want users to see. The training tab is a custom page that is essentially a nicer display of the training settings object and allows you to see the videos organized by tab. So think of the training tab as the pretty view and the training settings as the admin view. In this next section of the video, I'll show you how to install the app. We have not yet added this to App Exchange, so below I will show you how to install this app into a Salesforce production or sandbox org. I want to stress that this app has not been officially reviewed by Salesforce yet. Historically, we just installed the unmanaged package for our clients, but I wanted to make it available on our YouTube channel. When we complete security review, the app will still be free, but will be available on App Exchange. In the short term, we recommend you install in Sandbox if you have any concerns and test before moving to production. The link I've provided is an unmanaged package, which means you can modify this in any way after you install. Basically, we're giving you a copy. To install the app, close all windows of Salesforce and log into one tab only. Then open a new tab in your browser and paste the link from the description in the URL window. If you are asked to log in again, please do so. You may be prompted with a question, what if existing component names conflict with ones in this package? I select rename conflicting components in the package. I usually select install for all users, but you may want to install for admins only and then release to users later. If you're not sure how to add tabs to apps later or for specific profiles, then select install for all users. Then select install. The install may take a few minutes, but when complete, you can then determine what apps you'd like to add the app to. Once that's done, you can then add links to videos or to training documents. As I said earlier, this is a free app that we make available to clients. If you have any questions, please send an email to support@cloudarc.com and we'll help you get it installed or answer any questions. Finally, thank you for taking a few minutes to learn more about ways you can improve the way you use Salesforce and to create better results. I've included links in the description to the unmanaged package as well as another video called Salesforce Training Basics that will help you develop a training strategy that develops strong habits for your users. I also wanted to introduce you to our training strategy offer. For $100 per training video, we will create a training strategy and as many training videos as needed to help you build the excellent Salesforce habits that we discussed. The training strategy also includes our free health check, where we identify the key goals you are trying to accomplish and identify any immediate savings for your Salesforce licenses. From this meeting, we will provide our free health check report, training strategy, basic process summary, as well as install our free training app so you can give your users access to your training library directly in Salesforce. If you're interested in this, please email us at healthcheck@cloudarc.com. I've provided a link in the video description. One more thing, our CloudArc team has a very unique relationship with Salesforce. We were recently hand-selected to join the Outsourced Service Provider Program, which is the new program Salesforce created to deliver better results for customers and keep them from leaving the platform. This program enables a small group of select partners to bundle Salesforce licenses, consulting, and training, and it's our obsession to help clients leverage the right Salesforce license at the lowest cost. I've included a link to our Salesforce Health Check, which is completely free and will give you a detailed report of how you can reduce cost in the short term while increasing results using our results framework longer term. If you're not ready for that step, please subscribe and like and click the bell icon. YouTube will notify you when we post Salesforce videos every week. Thank you and see you soon.